G'day all, welcome to the channel. So what have we done to the XJ? We've done a fair bit. As you can see, I'm not too sure if you've sort of watched the previous videos, but the bull bar, it is no longer the way it used to be. It's actually been cut down, but I'll talk about that in a future video. We've also repainted the grille and the headlight surrounds. And as on a previous video, I've added the parking lights to the bull bar and reconnected a new driving light bar. But what I want to focus on is the new tyres. Now, these tyres are a little bit smaller than the tyres that the vehicle came with. So these are brand new. They're Comforsa. They're a Chinese brand. Yeah, not expensive, but I didn't want to go over the top, but I went for muddies. The previous tyres were 3110 15s, a little bit big for my liking. They were actually rubbing anyway when you were turning on full lock, and speedo was pretty much out. So I wanted to drop down to a slightly smaller size, but these are the 235 75 15s. Now, they're actually a great looking tyre. You can see the sidewall lugs sitting there, and yeah, she's got good tread and actually quite deep blocks. But it'll be interesting to see how these guys wear. When I purchased them, I wasn't aware that they were a specific rotation. Now, obviously that means I can't swap the tyres from side to side. I can only just pretty much balance them and swap them from front to rear. But we'll see how they wear, and it'll be interesting to note that once the Jeep is on the road. Now, as you can see, that's the tyre. We've done a few things. We've actually painted the flares all around on this particular vehicle. The vehicle's had a massive cleanup. She's looking pretty slick now. The roof had a good clean, good wash, then a bit of a polish. First polish, I'll give it another one. There's the rear with the new tyres, and again the painted flares. I'm not too sure if I'm actually going to continue that black theme running across the lower door panel. I'll just see how it goes. But also done a few things here. I've actually prepared for the rock sliders. There's a couple of brackets. That's the rear bracket, the mid bracket, and over there is the front bracket. Now, it's going to be tied in to the lower, this little section here. Obviously, you're going to drill holes into it, and once I weld up the actual steps, I think I may have one or two, it'll be actually welded to those. This tubing will be welded to the actual brackets, and then it'll be mounted to the actual little, I'm not sure what you would call it, but yeah, just the lower sill. There's a extrusion that comes down, and in most cases the XJ Jeep sliders are actually bolted to that with the help of the supports running to the actual lower chassis section. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing lately. Oh yeah, got the Patriot star on the rear window, both sides. Yeah, so far, so good. She's coming out well. Next job is replacement of the front screen. Okay guys, thanks for watching.